Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the ChatGPT too many concurrent requests error. So if ChatGPT isn't responding, keeps showing this error message, or won't let you send messages, follow along step by step and we'll fix it fast. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser. Now head to the top right corner and click on the three-dot menu icon. From the drop-down, scroll down and select Settings. Inside the Settings page, click on Privacy and Security from the left-hand menu. Next, choose Third-Party Cookies, then click on See All Site Data and Permissions. At the top, you'll see a search bar. Type ChatGPT and wait for it to appear. Once you see it, click the trash icon next to ChatGPT to delete the stored site data. This clears corrupted cookies that often cause the too many concurrent requests error. Now, let's check your browser extensions. On the left-hand side, click on Extensions. Disable any active extensions one by one, since some extensions often interfere with ChatGPT and cause errors. Once disabled, go back and check ChatGPT. Most of the time, this solves the too many concurrent requests problem. If you're still seeing the error, try using a different browser. Sometimes switching browsers can solve compatibility issues. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you should be able to fix ChatGPT too many concurrent requests error. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy guides.